You have been lied to. They told you that burning fat requires a pricey gym membership, a trainer yelling in your face like it is a bad 90s movie, and hours on a treadmill that feels more like a hamster wheel from hell. But what if the secret to rapid fat burn was right inside your kitchen and living room? Today we are diving into a powerful combo that melts fat fast. No gimmicks, no BS. It is the home workout plus Nutritarian diet strategy you did not know you needed. And trust me, you will want to stick around. The last part might flip everything you thought you knew about eating clean. Part 1. Why home workouts work, especially now. Let's get real. Convenience is king. Between Zoom fatigue, chaotic work schedules, and trying to have a social life, who's got time for a 45-minute drive to the gym? Home workouts/time cut excuses and, here is the kicker, burn just as much fat when done right. We are talking compound movements, squats, push-ups, planks, mountain climbers, body weight moves that fire up your metabolism and torch calories. 20 minutes of high-intensity home training can keep your body in fat-burning mode for up to 36 hours. This is called the afterburn effect, and yes, it is as awesome as it sounds. So, what is the perfect routine? Hold that thought. I'm about to give you one. Part 2. Sample home workout routine. HIIT-based. All right, picture this. No gym, no gear. Just 20 minutes and your body weight. Here is your go-to burner. 40 sec jump squats, 20 sec, rest 40 sec push-ups, 20 sec, rest 40 sec, plank with shoulder taps, 20 sec, rest 40 sec, high knees, 20 sec, rest, repeat 3x. Boom, done. You are sweating, your heart's pounding, and your body is now a calorie-melting machine. But wait, what about food? Because you cannot outrun a bad diet, remember? Part 3. The Nutritarian Diet. Fat-burning fuel, enter the Nutritarian Diet. Your metabolic best friend. No, it is not some trendy kale and air starvation plan. It is a science-backed way of eating focused on nutrient density per calorie. Think. Big salads with cruciferous greens, beans, berries, mushrooms. Healthy fats from nuts and seeds. Zero processed junk. This diet flips your cravings, boosts your energy, and puts your fat loss journey on turbo mode. Most people mess this up by doing one critical thing wrong, and it can stop fat burning dead in its tracks. More on that, right after this quirky question. If cauliflower can become pizza, is there anything you cannot become? Just a little reminder that transformation is possible, even for your waistline. All right, let's get back to it. Part 4. Biggest Nutritarian mistake to avoid. So here is the landmine. Undereating. People hear healthy and immediately go into calorie panic. But the Nutritarian approach is about eating abundantly. Just the right stuff. When you undereat, your body clings to fat like it is a survival show. Eat volume. Eat variety. Eat colors. This is not rabbit food. This is your fat loss fuel station. Pair that with your 20-minute workout. Now we are playing in the big leagues. Part 5. Why this combo works long-term. Here is what makes this duo unstoppable. Sustainable workouts you can do anytime, anywhere. High nutrient meals that keep you full, satisfied, and burning fat. You are not just working out. You are changing your lifestyle without burning out. And the best part? You do not need perfection. You need consistency. Miss a day? Cool. I will be back at it tomorrow. Eat a cookie? Great. Not a crime scene. So now you know the combo that is changing bodies across the country. No gym. No diet fads. It's just real movement and real food. But here is your next step. Are you ready to see what your body can do in the next 30 days? Comment "I am in" below if you are starting today, and I will include a free sample meal plan and beginner workout in the replies. Hit subscribe if you want zero fluff content that works. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, eat your greens, and maybe give that cauliflower pizza another shot.